video 43 of RYS Academy with Dr. Gary Cohen and semanticmastery.com. In this video I'm going to be talking a bit more about how to optimize your My Maps from Google. So I have explained a few of the optimization bits in the first video, but let me go over some of the others. So if you have a look here, this was a listing that I added. So this was the London Eye attraction, and you saw how I could go to the pencil icon here, click edit, and then I could type in my text over here, and I could drop a link to wherever I wanted to at the same time in here, and that would become a live link too. If for whatever reason, say you didn't want this information here, so you just more wanted it for that exact geolocation, for example, I do have the option here where I can just click remove, and then it's removed everything, but I can go back into edit, click save, and there you go, see it's come back again. Remember again that also you can go to edit, go down to the bottom right hand corner here, and it says add image or video, click that, and I have my different search options here to add in a video or an image. So if I went into YouTube and let me say I just want London Eye, and I'm going to choose that one there, click select, and now I've embedded a video. So let's try add a few more videos. So you think here you could add your whole playlist into this video. If you want, then you would need the URL portion up here. I just keep going. But you could have a whole series of videos here to keep people engaged with your listing if you wish to, and get some more views on your videos. So you can do a whole bunch of these. I'm going to just pause this and see how many I can add for you. Right, so what I just did was embed 10 different YouTube videos in my list, and that's the maximum amount of images or videos that you could embed per listing in your My Maps. So that just gives you another example of how to optimize per pin. You can change the colors of the pin, you can change the shapes of the pin, you can even add your own icons with a URL to the pins. If you want to make something stand out, you can turn pins on and off in your listing. So you don't have to click delete, but what you would go here is to open the data table. So I just click the three vertical, so that's the that's all the data linked to this particular sheet or style. Click that layer, I can either rename it, which would be that, delete it, or just open the data table. And you would have seen in the YouTube link that I gave in the previous video that on those YouTube videos you can see how to edit a lot of this stuff here. It's just another place where I can start editing the text if I want, or dropping in my links over here. Instead of going per pin, changing the names of things, you can go here, you can sort it out by A to Z, Z to A, add in more data if you want, so before, after, duplicate, so there's title column, there's a whole bunch of options here, but that's how you can clean up your data a little bit more if you wish to, for whatever reason. Another point to optimize, if I close this now, is your description area. So I did talk about how the name of your map will be the main keyword that you're targeting, or key phrase, and that's also what it's going to show as your meta title in the SERPs. Then what you want to do is optimize your description area. So what I did here was just to write some text to show you how much this is. So all of this here going up to the word coming, and that was exactly 138 characters, or 25 words in this case here. So you've got about 138 characters to optimize to get people to maybe click the more button on this section here. You can put a live link in that section too, no problem. And this is my description areas that I did. So everything up to this point here was shown in the first view of the map, and then you had to click the more button to see the rest of this text. Then I wanted to show you here how much text you can add in. So what I did, for example, was just jump over here to my Barack Obama page on Wikipedia. So just to go here, I just highlighted all the text because I knew there was lots of text on this one. I then went into my word counter to show that's 162,000 characters, or 25,100 words in this case. I'm going to choose all, copy, and I'm going to go over to here, and I'm going to paste that in. And there you go. So that is now me having just embedded, just to show you where the last bit is on this. There you go. See, up to that point there is the 25,180 words where it says Media Wiki. And that's what I just pasted all of into my description area of my map. So it just shows you how much information you can add into the description area of your map. And the reason you want to do that, because that just helps with your long tail keywords and your semantically related keywords that you can place in here to help that particular map rank for the key phrase that you're trying to target up here. And again, you can add in links to things, so just make it like a really good content article and drop that into your map. So you could do it for your company listing and just embed the about page or a whole bunch of information about your website in the description area of the map. So that would be another place to optimize. And just to show you, so all of that area here that I've just put in, if I go across to my Google Drive, so you remember my favorite area to optimize, one click, right click, go down to view details, and what you'll notice is if I go over details now and I scroll down, automatically it's all added in. See that? So that would be another way if you wish to, if you didn't actually want to open up your map and then go into this section here, you could go into your drive, into view details, click the pencil, and that would be another way that you could edit all of the information. But as you can see, there's all my information already put into my map, and that would be in the source code. So that's how Google can crawl and then find all that text for you and link it to this particular map. And that would be my optimization tips for my Google My Maps.